Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am doing a unboxing video. This is unedited because I wanted you to see my response when I open it. So I won the MFT Sketch Challenge and you get $50, which is great. I was so excited. So I will show you probably a picture of the card if you hadn't seen it, but I did post it on social media. But here is what I chose to get the newest kit, so let me show you. So isn't it cute? I love receiving MFT products. Oops. So let's open it up. So Vaughn, and then a cute little note, packed with love, Emily. So cute. So it's called Out of the Box Die-Namics. And then because I had enough money, I was able to get something extra. Or actually, no. I picked this on my own. It was on sale, I think. I don't know. Anyways, it's cute. Stitched jumbo fishtail banners. So I really like that. This is what I got for getting $60 worth. So cute, and it's called Out of the Box. Okay, so here is the kit now. Let me get it out of this box so we can see better. Okay, so a gift for you. So cute. I didn't know they send this. I love this. And then, let's see. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love their heads. So cute. Some of these sentiments are really cute too. Lucky me to have a friend like you. Because of kind-hearted people like you, this world is a nicer place. Oh, so cute. Wishing you sunnier days ahead. Oh, I can see myself using this a lot. And then you get the dies. And then here is, oh, look at this. Hooray for spending time with you, even if it's virtually. Oh, so sweet. And here is some of the design team inspiration here. Love. I'm going to try and do this one. So, and then you get paper. So I got some white, pink, red, green. I don't know all the names are on this paper here. So smooth white. Here you see them: cotton candy, red hot, lemon drop, sour apple, snow cone, grapesicle, and grape jelly. So that is awesome. So I am so happy to have won. So if you do a sketch challenge and they have color challenges, I would do it because you never know if you win, and it's fun too. Okay, so I appreciate you stopping by and sharing this happy moment with me. I will be back soon with another card video or something. Have a good day. Bye.